Hi, Be. Happy birthday. So always take care of yourself. So always remember that I'm always here for you. And always remember that God and I always guiding you. Our friends greet you happy birthday also from Teg family, from HCP family, Bore Out family, and EK family. And also your family. And syempre, ako, greet kita happy birthday. Kilala mo na yung mga friends natin na gustong mag-greet sa'yo. Kaya lang, wala rin kasi silang time. And wala rin akong time puntahan sila para makuha ng video. So, ako na lang ang gumawa ng video for you to know na they miss you. And I know you miss them too. Alam ko, gusto mo nang umuwi sa Pilipinas kasi I know na mahirap dyan and toxic na schedule mo. Ganun talaga, Be, as a nurse. I hope na nakapag-adjust ka na. Basta, always take care of yourself and huwag ka masyadong magpagod. Eat on time and always remember that I love you so much and I miss you so much. Happy birthday, Be. Enjoy your birthday. And I just want you to know na sana makasama na kita. I love you so much. I miss you. Happy birthday.